The environment, basically links to the culture we're trying to create here. And that is a nice blend between a high-performance environment, but very humane. The people element is instrumental to us.
It is important because we want our people to feel valued. We want our people to be feeling part of the overall system. We want our people to eventually be contributing towards the growth of the company and feel part of the overall company.
But I think inclusivity is very important more than ever before, is because it gives a feeling of well-being. It gives a feeling that we are more than just colleagues, we are a family.
Our greatest asset is our staff. And so as such, we invest very highly in their training, both on the job and academically. We support the tuition and we pay for the tuition fees to make sure that they get the exams. We have a very loyal complement of staff. As you know, we've been around since 1939, one way or another, and we've got many staff who've been with us for many, many years. In fact, the average length of employment at Elmo is around 10 years.